Hi, this is Anel over here at Huffman Honda in Clarksville, Indiana. Today we're in front of this 2024 CRV and I'm going to teach you how to use adaptive cruise control on it. It does monitor cruise control through a radar from the front that detects the car that's in front of you. You can also adjust it inside by what length you want it to be. It also slows down and speeds up according to how you set it on the inside. So what you do to activate adaptive cruise control, you would go into your home right here, you would go into settings, you would go all the way down here to driver assist system setup, you would go to adaptive cruise control forward detect beep, you would click OK, make sure that's on, and then you would go to forward collision warning distance, you would click that on, and then you would go normal, short, or long depending on the range you want it, and then you would use this button right here to engage that cruise control. Click set, and then you would speed up to your preferred miles per hour. If you needed to cancel it or get back off, you would click cancel, and then to utilize the forward collision, you would click these buttons right here, which has these bars. Where you go first is your minimal distance, you want to be closer to the car. The last one is the larger distance, and then you will adjust that. And then obviously if you wanted to cancel, you would click cancel. If you do hit the brakes or adjust the throttle with your foot, it will set itself back to where you had it originally set until you click cancel. And again, my name's Anel. I work in the service department here in Huffman Honda in Clarksville, Indiana. If you do have any more questions for us, feel free to come in or give us a call and we'll help you with all your needs. Thank you.